and then I'll show you in a second. And that's what actually closes the water off. The tube goes down out of the tub and then back to the drain, and this slides down the tube all the way, and it holds it flat and it doesn't allow water out. So in order to fix this, you have to replace the whole front cover, not just the latch. So it's got a cotter pin, which I will remove, and then you just attach it to the new cover. Now the cover I went and got was straight from Lowe's, and it was, I think, $10, somewhere in there. But anyways, they had selections of different finishes. I have chrome, so I got a chrome one. I'm sure you can find them somewhere else online, cheaper or more in tune with what you really want, but I wanted to get this fixed. So, and it's Sunday and it's time to fix stuff, so let's get on with it. So you need a screwdriver to take the cover plate off, and then you need some pliers to take the cotter pin out,